Modern science has reduced the fear surrounding celestial bodies. Nowadays, every new discovery is greeted with enthusiasm. In the past, people were frightened by mysterious objects that appeared out of nowhere. Comet 37P Forbes comes from the Kuiper belt beyond Neptune. It is composed of frozen volatile materials such as methane, ammonia, nitrogen, and water, and is a short-period comet of the Jovian family. Its journey is strongly influenced by the gravity and thrust of the giant planet Jupiter. Comet 37P Forbes is located in the constellation Libra at a distance of 260,139,200 to 0.0 kilometers from Earth. 37P Forbes is a medium-sized comet whose orbit, with a relatively short period and low inclination, is determined by the gravitational influence of Jupiter. Comet Forbes was discovered by astronomer Alexander F. I. Forbes of Rosebank, South Africa. He spotted it through a microscope on August 1, 1929. Astronomer Forbes informed astronomers in Johannesburg of his discovery. The announcement of the discovery of the new comet was made on August 3, following confirmation. The comet was named Comet Forbes after its discoverer, astronomer Forbes. When discovered in August 1929, Comet 37P Forbes was bright, with a magnitude of about 11. By October it had begun to fade, reaching a magnitude of 14 to 16.5. In its 1942 appearance, it had a magnitude of about 15 to 12. It reached a maximum brightness of magnitude 11 in July 1999. Comets are frozen remnants of the formation of the solar system, composed of dust, rock and ice. They can range in size from a few to tens of kilometers, but as they approach the sun they heat up and expel gas and dust, forming a glowing head larger than a planet. This material forms a tail that stretches for millions of kilometers. Comets are cosmic snowballs of frozen gas, rock and dust that orbit the sun. If frozen, it would be the size of a small city. As the comet approaches the sun in its orbit, it heats up and spews dust and gas into a giant glowing head bigger than most planets. The dust and gas form a tail that stretches millions of kilometers away from the sun. There are probably billions of comets orbiting the sun in the Kuiper belt and even further away in the Oort cloud. 37P Forbes orbits the sun every 2,350 days, about 6.43 years, coming as close as 1.61 astronomical units to the sun and moving as far away as 5.30 astronomical units from it. 37P Forbes has a diameter of about 1.9 kilometers, making it larger than 99% of all asteroids and comparable in size to Mount Everest. 37P Forbes' orbit was determined from observations dating back to February 8, 2011. The last official observations were on December 14, 2018. The IAU's Minor Planet Center has recorded 1,199 observations that were used to determine its orbit. Will this comet make a close approach to Earth? 37P Forbes' orbit is 0.60 astronomical units from the Earth's orbit at its closest point. This means that there will always be a very large distance between this asteroid and Earth. Orbital simulations performed by NASA GPLSC and EOS do not indicate a close approach to Earth.